Hello everyone, it's been quite some time that I've uploaded a video and I'm so sorry for not uploading the videos. I missed a lot and I desperately wanted to post a video today, so that's the reason I filmed one of them and edited today itself and I'm posting it right now. So I was quite unwell in between and I was also tied up with work, so that's the reason I could not film much videos. If not, I would have definitely shot few and posted them very quickly. I will be the one who is most excited to do the videos and post them as soon as possible. And the first thing that I wanted to tell you all is please have quite some water, like 4 to 5 liters in a day, because one of my doctors whom I consulted, he insisted me to have 4 to 5 liters in a day, 4 to 5 liters of water. It will not cost you anything, so I would suggest you to have water, plenty of water to beat this heat, and that's one of the reasons why I was unwell. So I wanted to share this with you all because it's a very useful thing, and also it will help you to not get sick at all. And nextly I wanted to tell you all is I am doing this video in English because this is a requested video. People did ask me to do videos in English because they could not understand Telugu, so I just uploaded one video in Telugu and I think people could not get the language, so that's the reason I'm doing it in English so that it will be easy for everyone. But I would like to balance both Telugu and English, and one more thing is that I want to do videos in Tamil as well. So for Tamil people, this is only for Tamil people who can understand Tamil, of course. So எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம், என் பேர் சாய் வனப்பள்ளி. நீங்கள் என் பழைய வீடியோஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கிலீஷில் இருக்கும். ஸோ இனிமேல் நான் தமிழில் கூட செய்ய போகிறேன். நியரஸ்ட் ஃப்யூச்சர் ஐ வுட் பி டூயிங் இன் தமிழ். ஸோ என் வீடியோஸ்க்காக வெயிட் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்கள் கமெண்ட்ஸில் ப்ளீஸ் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக உங்கள் அட்வைஸ் ஆர் சஜஷன்ஸ். ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக நான் தமிழ் வீடியோ செய்ய போகிறேன், எனக்கு ரொம்பவே ஆசையாக இருக்குது. And coming to English, I'm gonna do videos in English as well, mostly in English, and I'm gonna balance Telugu as well. So without wasting much time, I'm gonna do this makeup today, and this is the nude makeup that I tried to do, and this is all with nude eyeshadow, lipstick, lip liner, and also the blush, I can say. So I just paired it with these earrings. I just got them in Hyderabad, and this was in a street shopping. And also guys, I wanted to post videos for street shopping. I don't know how you would receive it. If you really want me to go on a street shopping and if you want me to film that video, I'll definitely do that for you. I'll be more than happy to do that. Also please mention your comments in the comment section regarding the street shopping. And I'm also planning to do videos on painting. I love painting and I've done quite some paintings, and definitely I'm going to post those videos as well if you would like to watch. And please mention all your suggestions in the comment section, and without wasting time, I'm going to quickly tell you how I've done this look. So please do watch that. This video is all about a nude makeup. This is how the eye makeup looks with a nude dark brown shade. I hope you all would love this look, and also mention your comments in the comment section. Let's get started with the makeup. Firstly, I'm using Nivea aftershave balm as a primer, and you can use any primer that you have with you. Next, for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fitme foundation. This is in the shade 230, and I'm using a beauty blender in order to blend the complete foundation into my skin. You can use a brush or just your fingers as well. I'm using Maybelline Dream Lumi Concealer, and I'm using a beauty blender in order to blend the complete concealer. So for this makeup, since it's a nude makeup, I need to cover all the dark circles that I have under my eye. To fix my foundation and the concealer, I'm using the Loreal Matte Magic Loose Powder. So I'm using a brush for the first time in order to apply the complete powder. You need to apply it all over the face in order to set everything. To start with the eye makeup, I'm using the eyeshadows from Maybelline Nudes palette, and this palette has got many nude eyeshadows, and this is gonna work wonderfully. So I'm using the shade light brown first in order to use it as a base, and I'm gonna apply it in the crease area and also under the eye area. Next I would jump to a darker shade, so I'm taking a dark brown and blending it very well with the fluffy brush, and if there is any fallout you can just take it off. Once I'm done with the dark brown shade, it looks like that. And just to pat on the eyelid area with a flat brush, I'm using a pearl cream shade, which is a very light shade. It might look as white, but it's a cream shade. Once I'm done with the pearl cream shade, I'm going to go back to my crease area and blend it again with a fluffy brush. To give a simple kajal effect, I'm going to do it only for the half eye under the eye area. I've taken a very thin brush and used a black shade from the Nudes palette and applying it this way. Now to highlight, I'm going to take the same pearl cream shade and also a little bit of gold in order to give that glittery effect. So I'm going to use a thin brush here as well. To start with my eyeliner, I'm using this brand, and this I've recently got it from purple.com. I'm going to show these products exclusively in another video, but this eyeliner is perfect for a winged eyeliner, I can say. For mascara, as usual, I'm using the Lakme Eyeconic because it makes my lashes look even bigger. First I'll be doing my upper eyelashes and then I'll be doing my lower lashes as well, and this is how it's gonna look once I'm done. I'm gonna add some bronzer to my cheekbones and I'm gonna give some dimension. That is the reason I'm using a bronzer. If you would not like it, you can definitely skip it. Since it's a nude makeup, it looks very good on this. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm using a fan brush and Sivanna palette, and the highlighter is a very pearl shade. I'm going to highlight the cheekbones and the nose area using the same brush. Coming to the lips, I'm using Me Now High Precision Nude Pencil Lip Liner, which is in the coral shade. First I'm going to fill my lips with a lip liner and then I'll use a soft matte Claire color. This is the one I was talking about. I'm all done with the makeup and this is the finished look, guys. Do let me know if you really liked the video. This is the nude makeup that I've tried on my face. I do not know how far you would like it. So please mention all your comments, like the video, share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And I'm close to 200 subscribers. I'm so happy and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.